On March 17, OpenAI released two new models. The pricing in one of them changes the economics of multi-agent systems. $0.2 per million input tokens. This is not a discount. That's a structural change. But the story is not just a price. The story is what OpenAI is explicitly telling you to do with it. For the first time, OpenAI is shipping a model and saying, this one is the worker. Let me show you what that means in practice. The challenge of multi-agent system has never been the architecture alone. You could always draw a diagram, a manager role, a set of workers, tasks distributed among them. The challenge was the cost of running it at scale. Running a 50-agent research loop last year on GPT-4o could cost you around $50 per run. So teams made decisions. Either limit the number of agents or limit how often the system runs. Or put ceiling on what you can actually build. 𝐤𝐚𝐧𝐚 called AI the new labor economy. But labor only works when workers are affordable. GPT-5.4 Nano is OpenAI's first model explicitly designed to be delegated to, not the decision maker, the executor. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly what was shipped on March 17, what the SDK primitives look like, and the manager worker pattern you can start using today. If you are an architect building production agent system, this is your new pricing baseline. Let us look at what actually shipped. Two models shipped on March 17. Let me walk you through each one so that you know exactly what you are working with. Mini is your orchestration model. It has a 4,000 context window, meaning it can hold the full state of a complex multi-step task without losing track. On SWE Bench Pro, the standard benchmark of software engineering tasks, it scores 54.38%. The full flagship GPT-5.4 scores 57.2%. That gap is 3 points, at a fraction of the cost and more than twice the speed. It's available in the API, in Codex, and in ChatGPT for free, and Go users via the thinking feature. Pricing is $0.75 per million input tokens, $4.50 per million output tokens. Nano is your execution model. It is API only. OpenAI is positioning this as a developer tool, not a consumer one. It is built for tasks that are well-defined, bounded, and high volume. Classification, data extraction, ranking, and coding sub-agents that handle a single scope task. One number I want you to keep in mind: OS Word verified score is 39%. OS Word measures how well a model can operate a desktop, clicking, navigating, reading screenshots. At 39%, Nano is not the model you assign to computer use tasks. Keep that for Mini. On the pricing, $0.20 per million input tokens. To put that in concrete terms, 100 agents, each processing 5,000 tokens, cost you roughly 10 cents per run. That is the number that changes the math on what you can afford to build. Now, let me show you the actual SDK pattern. The official SDK is called OpenAI Agents. One install gets you everything you need. 3 parameters: agent, runner, and handoffs. That is the entire mental model. Let me walk you through the manager worker pattern step by step. Start with the worker. This is the Nano agent, your executor. Notice the instructions are short and scoped. Nano performs best once the task is well defined. You are not asking it to reason or plan. You are asking it to extract, classify, or process a single bounded input and return structured output. That's it. Now, the manager. This is the mini agent, your orchestrator with a 400,000 context window. The key line here is as_tool. You are not writing custom routing logic. You are exposing the worker agent as a callable tool that the manager can invoke exactly like it would invoke any other function. The SDK handles the rest: the handoff, the response, passing the output back up. For true parallelism, you use 𝐶𝐴, a Python standard library primitive. You create a list of runner.run calls, one per topic, then gather them all at once. They execute concurrently. The cause comment at the bottom is the real point. 10 topics, 5,000 tokens each. That is 50,000 nano tokens, roughly 1 cent. That math is what makes the pattern viable at scale. Mini plan, Nano executes. 𝐶𝐴 runs them in parallel. No custom framework, just the SDK and Python primitives you already know. Now, 2 warnings I want you to hear before you deploy this. Small models lose the objective when context fills up. At around 50 terms without a prune, the worker starts describing itself instead of doing the task. If you are in Tier 1 API and you run 100 agents simultaneously, the API will shut you down. You need a token bucket rate limiter in front of the swarm. The price is cheap. The throughput is not unlimited. Alright, here's my read about this release. The sub-agent evolution is not about models getting smarter. It's about them getting cheap enough to fail, retry, and cooperate at scale. This is what actually changes the economics. For the first time, the math works. Mini as the brain, Nano as the hand, 𝐶𝐴 as the nervous system. In the context layer series, I showed you the architecture: skills, memory, evaluation. Today we found the fuel. If you are still building single model pipelines, you are building for 2024. What are you going to build with 100 agents that cost $1? Drop in the comments. I'm genuinely curious. Like if this helped, dislike if you think I am hype. Either way, I will see you in the next one.